Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, I'd like to tell you guys to go ahead and check out Maudie'sReviewChannel.com to get your latest, most updated movie and TV show and live TV APKs. So right here we have a Butyce Professional Massaging Gun. We're going to do an unboxing. Stay tuned. So today we got the Butyce Massaging Gun, designed for professional. This has an LCD touchscreen display, 4800 milliamp lithium battery, 7-speed modes, works 11 to 13 hours. And this takes 110 to 220 volts. This is a professional massage gun with an LCD touchscreen. Very powerful, very strong battery. So inside this box, we'll open it up. And first off, you'll see a star case. This case is very high quality. So you can see you have your little zippers and your carrying strap. So there's a star logo. There's your carrying strap. It's very thick, very sturdy. Same as your zippers. That's what it looks all around. Now let's get into the fun part of the massaging gun in itself. And first off, you can see the accessories. Up here at the top, you have your massaging gun instructions manual. Here's the user manual. This just tells you what each piece is for, what time they have for your massaging gun, how long the battery lasts. So in one you got 24 hours, and the last one you got about 12 hours. Some extra parts. So here is some of your extra massaging gun parts. This one's pretty soft. This one is supposed to do like your shoulders. Here's another one for acupuncture. This one here is supposed to be for like your shoulders. I've tried this on my shoulders. It actually works pretty good. Gets right down into the tensed muscles. This one here is for your lower back to your mid back. Then this is your normal flat head. This one works mostly all the time. I use this one all the time. It just gets right into those sore, achy muscles. And this is the ball. If you are familiar with the ball one, this one's a little bit harder. It gets right into those creaks and crevices of your back. Here's the power cord. This runs off a standard 110. This is a AC 100 by 240 volt. So here's another acupuncture. Now let's get into the gun itself. It's very well packaged. So this is what the Butyce massaging gun looks like. It's got a very good sturdy grip at the bottom, so there's no slippage of any kind. You have your on and off switch. Also your charging plug port in. This is a 25.2 volts. There's the fan. It is very quiet. This is where you'll put your attachments in. So that is your touchscreen display on how fast you want the speed. So it says keep the power off while you're charging it. So now let's turn it on at the bottom. You'll just touch your thumb right here. and it'll go all the way up to the lowest setting, all the way to the highest setting. You can see where it's pivoting. Want it to go higher, just keep touching the touchscreen. If you want to turn it off, just sit there and hold it and it will turn off. So let's try the ball first. Gotta make sure it's snugged in here. You can see that it is very, very sturdy. Does a really good job. If you're not looking for that much pivoting, I would recommend setting on 1 or 2 setting, because this does give out really powerful sensations. Alright, so now let's change the accessory. Let's try the flathead one. This one here I enjoy mostly. Just push this in really hard. Set your design. I put it usually around 2 to 3. You could tell that it is very powerful. Gets right into those achy muscles. This one here is mostly my favorite. I use this one all the time. It gets right into your muscles and it massages out those cramping muscles or tightening muscles. So now this one is a shoulder one. It looks like it's a little hard and kind of weird, but this is where it gets you right around your shoulders. So if you have aching shoulders, this is one good tool. I would recommend using about 1 or 2 because it is kind of hard. But you can see it gets right into the muscle. And at the bottom, it does tell you your percentage of battery. So at the moment, mine's at 60% without even charging. This is straight out the box. So those are your attachment accessories. This one here is another accessory. It's not as hard as the flat one, but it does give you the same massaging as the flathead. So it's not super intense. It's just good enough, like a shiatsu massage. And you can all turn it up. You can see the difference when you turn it all the way up to the highest setting. And if you want to turn it off, you just push your thumb down onto the back of the LCD. You can see this one here is very nice. Just hold your thumb here and it will turn off. So this is the Butyce massaging gun. You can see it is very good quality. The hand grip is very nice. There is going to be no slippage when you're holding this gun. The fan right here is very quiet. Doesn't put out a lot of steam or anything like that. This is a really nice massaging gun. So this is what you get in the package. It has all your accessories, including your charger and the gun, your instructions manual. I definitely recommend this one. This one I use for personal use, and it definitely does get into my sore aching back with all of these accessories. You have an acupuncture, you have your flathead, which is the one I recommend all the time because that one just works on everybody, as well as you have your shoulder ones. It has your nice little carrying case. It's very thick to protect your gun. And the strap itself is really nice, so I don't see this dropping. It is a really nice carrying case. I definitely like this, and I would recommend getting this one. This one is my all-time favorite.